Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review the second palette I purchased, and this is it right here. Naked palette, very goldy, very shiny. Honestly, all the colors are very pretty. There's a lot of shimmers you can choose from, some mattes. As you can see here, I already went and did my eyebrows my eyebrows off camera. So what I'm doing right here, we're gonna add some concealer. Like I showed you in my last videos, I love to use the Tarte concealer. It's very good. And right here we're gonna put into the other eye. We're just gonna align the concealer underneath the brow, make it more on fleek, make it pop. That's all we do with makeup, honestly. We just make everything pop. So we're gonna add the first color. So the color this one's called is Drip Me Some Sugar. Ew, that was cringy. But we're gonna go ahead and add that to our crease. You see how I'm just fluffing it out? I was trying to be really careful not to overdo it, because I did do another video last time and for some reason the color was not blending. So make sure the brush you're using is a fluffy brush so it can flare it out nice and not be patchy. So we're going to go ahead and apply it to the left eye, or in my case it's the right eye. I'm going to do the same thing as we did on the other one. We're just going to set the product and just blend. Like I always say, always blend. That is very important. We're just gonna go ahead and do the same thing. I was trying to be more precise on the makeup since I have not been doing makeup in a while, but I think it turned out pretty good for like almost 2 weeks that I didn't do my makeup. Alright, so now we're gonna add the second color, which is Flyby. Honestly, this color was annoying. I thought it was gonna be like a nice white, matte color, but as you can see right there, it's kind of not blending properly. So this color, since I already had added it to that eye, I went and added it to the other eye. But honestly, I regret that color because it was not blending properly. It looked patchy, and the color was just not to my liking. But we went and did it anyway, so what does it matter now? So you just go ahead and try to blend that color as much as you can. This palette honestly was not my favorite. I don't think I will be using it again. Maybe just the brown colors, like the mattes, were good. So after blending all that you can with that color, I'm gonna go ahead and speed it. Whoops. There it is. I already went and cut my crease. Maybe because, like I said, that white color was just complete. Can't cuss on YouTube, but it was not great. When I was cutting my crease, it was kind of hard for me to do it. But I tried my best, and that's what we have right there. We're going to go ahead and add a shimmer into our lids. And we're going to add Honey, which I thought was going to be kind of like a shiny gold. But as you can see, kind of looks like, I don't know, it looks like mustard or something. Again, that color was, to me, it was a little disappointing because I was expecting something more different. But I already put it on the lid. We're going to go ahead and just add that to the lid, extend it a little bit to the corner. So we're going to do our best and just try to add the color. I will be using my finger later on to add the product more better. Like I said in my other videos, when it comes to shimmers, most of them, you do have to add it with the finger because the product applies more better. You see how I am applying it with my finger now. It just makes it, you know, at least it makes the color pop a little more than when you apply it with the brush. So we're gonna go ahead and just apply it with our fingers so we could see a little bit more of that shininess. Weirdly enough, when you add the color on your hand, like I was trying the colors on my palm to see if the color is something I would want on my lid. I always do it beforehand, but for some reason when I swiped it, I guess you would call it, it did not look like that how it does in my lid. So the colors are kind of a little deceiving, so I will look out for that if you do end up purchasing this palette. So we're gonna go ahead and speed this up a little bit. So I already went and applied my lashes, and we're just gonna apply the bottom eyeshadow to our lids. Well, not our lids, to like the bottom part of the eye. We're gonna use the same brown color that we used in the beginning of the video, which was Drip, I believe. I did not want to add any black eyeliner at the bottom, so I will just be leaving it like that. Just because I have not been putting makeup for like almost 2 weeks, so I don't want to irritate my eyes today. So we're just gonna go ahead and just apply the brown color Drip, and we're just gonna blend it out. We're just gonna add it. So I am doing the final part in my phone. My battery died in my camera and I was gonna do a voiceover, but it didn't work out. So this is the final look, as you can see. Sorry, I did it. Oh, don't mind the mess in the back, sorry. But this is the final result. I'm sorry, I'm in a hurry again. But yes, so like my new sweaters from France. So yes, this is going to be a really short video, so please comment anything you want. I'm gonna do more makeup videos, of course. My channel is about makeup tutorials, so please stay tuned. Please subscribe, comment anything you want me to do in this channel. Like the video and share the video. Thank you.